Sony are pleased to introduce a new model into its switcher lineup, the MCS-8M. The compact production switcher includes built-in frame synchronizers, multi-viewer display, and a 6-channel audio mixer. The MCS-8M offers affordable yet powerful functionality. It can be used in SD, HD, or 3D systems. Connect all inputs and outputs to the rear of the MCS-8M panel. Having specified the image signal format and aspect ratio, you can simply gen-lock cameras and begin operations. However, for untimed signals, it may be necessary to set the input frame synchronization. This can be used to synchronize all video signals coming into the switcher. As the input synchronizer is turned on, we can see that the signals become correctly timed. It is crucial to name sources, as they will be visible on the multi-viewer. To do this, go to System, Inputs, and scroll through the list of preset signal names. You can see that as SDI1 is changed, the source name is updated. There are 8 external inputs, plus 4 internal sources that can be assigned to the crosspoints. The internal sources are color background, frame memory video and key, and black. Select video crosspoint and select from the list the source to be assigned to that crosspoint. Repeat these steps for each video source and crosspoint. The multi-viewer allows the display of multiple video inputs, program video outputs, and preview video outputs simultaneously on a monitor or VDU connected to the unit. A 4-screen layout or a 10-screen layout can be selected. To configure the multi-viewer, press the Setup button, select Multi-Viewer, select Viewer Mode, and select the split-screen layout. Select the subscreen signal assign and then select the video signal. Repeat those steps to configure the other subscreens. Assign audio inputs to the connectors on the rear of the panel and to the channel faders 1 to 6. Assigning separate audio to the left and right channels of a fader creates a stereo fader, while assigning the same audio to the left and right channels creates a monaural fader. To set up the audio signals, press Setup and select Audio. Assign the left and right signal to the appropriate fader. These audio signals are accepted by the switcher. This user-friendly switcher has many preset wipe and DME patterns. It has the ability to import still images via a USB, 3D mode function, a 6-channel audio mixer, and more. The MCS-8M compact switcher is designed to be simple and intuitive to use. In the transition area, it is possible to select between Mix, Effect Wipe, or DME Wipe. Each of these functions are selected and controlled in the transition control area. However, you can select between 24 standard wipe patterns and 40 DME effects. A list of all patterns is available in the operational manual. There is one keyer available in the MCS-8M. This can be either luminance, linear or chroma keyer. All can be used as video keys or self keys. Whichever key type used, it's possible to make use of the built-in resizer. To use the resize function, select keyer, resizer, location, and move the XY size parameters. The key can be zoomed, moved horizontally, vertically, or even be given perspective. The MCS-8M has a powerful chroma keyer. It uses the same technology as the larger MVS series of Sony switches. To use the chroma keyer, go to Keyer, Keyer Type, select Chroma, select Sample Mark, and a cursor should appear on the preview monitor. Size and position the cursor over an area of green background. When satisfied, go to the Auto Adjust menu and press Execute. The Chroma Auto Select button allows the user to quickly set up a high-quality chroma key. Further controls are available for finer adjustments if necessary. The MCS-8M can store up to 20 pre-configured settings, useful when working on fast-paced events. These snapshots will recall cross-point settings, effect and keyer settings, and transition settings. To store a snapshot to the switcher, press the Snapshot button. Enter the number, 1 to 20, under which to save the snapshot. The number entered appears as the snapshot number in the menu screen. If a snapshot is not currently registered to the number entered, empty will appear to the left of the number. Press the Store button. The snapshot is registered. If you enter a number that is already in use, the previous snapshot will be overwritten. Snapshots can be imported to and exported from USB. The MCS-8M provides one channel of frame memory. Up to 12 still images can be stored within the switcher. TIFF and Targa images complete with alpha channel and bitmaps can also be imported from USB memory. To import a graphic into the switcher from USB, place the USB into the slot on the top of the panel. Press Frame Memory Import and select the file you wish to load. Press Import and the file will be copied into the frame memory. It's possible to import more than one still at a time. The MCS-8M also offers an input freeze function. To use the frame memory to capture live video and freeze one of the sources to the switcher, go to the FM menu and select Input Freeze. Select the input signal and select On. Press at the position you want to freeze. The input image is frozen. By using the two aux buses in the MCS-8M, it's possible to prepare the program video and send that signal to aux bus 1, then make a mix transition from an input source to the prepared program video. The mix capability is available for both aux 1 and aux 2 outputs. The resultant performance is similar to integrating an additional ME row. When using 3D mode in the MCS-8M, the switcher will automatically tie inputs together. Inputs 1 and 2 become one left and one right, and so on. Consult the manual for connecting output settings. To set up 3D, go to Setup and select System. Switch 3D to On. The switcher will need to be restarted. It's possible to mix up to 6 channels of audio. These can be embedded onto SD-SDI, HD-SDI or HDMI signals, as well as using external analog signals. 6 channels can allow the user a good balance between conversational microphones and ambient noise. To use the audio faders, turn the channel on for each active audio input. Each signal should light green, as the level is activated. The switcher has an input limiter compressor function that will assist in managing the input gain structure of the audio mix. In addition, the useful audio delay function allows the co-timing of frame synchronized video with lip sync. The MCS-8M, a compact, versatile, powerful switcher integrating excellent cost efficiency and usability, along with a great range of useful features.